If you're an edtech administrator drowning in LMS decision matrices, course structure debates, and engagement analytics that look like hieroglyphics, this is your lifeline. The LMS Setup Pack delivers platform compatibility assessment engines with SCORM, XAPI compliance checks, drag and drop modular course templates with competency mapping, real-time engagement widgets tracking dwell time and interaction heat maps, and customizable dashboards with SQL-backed data warehousing. Whether you're a K-12 tech lead juggling 300 Chromebooks, a corporate L&D architect designing microlearning pathways, or a higher ed instructional designer battling enrollment drop-offs, we've got your back. This isn't just setup, it's your EdTech GPS. Here's what's inside the LMS Setup Pack. Platform compatibility analysis with LTI 1.3 certification workflows, modular course structuring using SCORM 2004 4th edition standards, engagement tracking with sentiment analysis from discussion forums, analytics dashboards featuring cohort comparison visualizations, automated onboarding workflows with single sign-on integration, API connectors for Canvas, Moodle, and Blackboard, performance benchmarks with load testing simulations. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. We turn chaos into clarity. Installing the LMS Setup Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add lms-setup-pack. That's it. You get the complete workflow: platform assessment calculators, course structure blueprints with accessibility compliance, engagement analytics codebase, and dashboard templates with ETL pipelines. Your next Claude Code session automatically detects the skill pack, your AI assistant gains LMS configuration superpowers, and your calendar magically clears for actual strategy work. This isn't magic, it's engineering grade EdTech optimization.